Hello and welcome to this primer on how to embed a link into your text. What is that? Some people have asked me, how do you get those hyperlinks built into words in sentences? And that's what it is. It's a website address or something else that you can embed into your words. You know, if you have something on your own hard drive, you can also embed a link to something somewhere else inside your computer. So much like going to the internet and copying a link there, you can take this same approach I'm going to show you and highlight, copy the link to something that's on your hard drive or in your files and embed that in your sentence. I do that in Excel spreadsheets sometimes so that I don't have to, it's just much easier to have a clickable thing. So let's start with this. We're going to go out to the internet. We're going to look up our first company, the Platinum GRP. I've heard of them. So you get these guys on here. That's the right link. Just click here. It'll automatically highlight that for you. So if it automatically highlights it, great. If you accidentally click a couple times and it's not highlighted, press your left button down on your mouse or on your mouse pad, hold it down, run your cursor over that, let go both buttons, come back with your cursor, hit your right button, and you can hit copy. You also can just hit Control C. I like just doing Control C. So I hit Control C. Go to your email, left button on your mouse pad, hold it down the whole time, highlight Platinum Group, let go, right click, go down to link, make sure this is flashing. If it's not, click on it, and then hit Control V as in Victor to paste. Hit OK, and voila, you have your first embedded link. Next, I want to do standard heating and air because they're one of the reasons why we're sending this out. So when you do this, make sure you find the right link. Sometimes these say ads in front of them. Today, it's a pretty authentic one. You can always go to the website to make sure. Same thing, just click up here, hit Control C, go back to your email. Oop. Once again, holding my left button down, and then holding my left button down, and then hit right click, go down to link, hit Control V, and that's the other embedded. And then for this one, I already found her interview, so I'm going out there to get it. So I click on this to get the link, Control C, get out of the music, go back to the email, and then hit or type, let's see, here we go, highlight video, right click, go to link, Control V to paste. And I won't bore you with the audio one. I think you get the point by now. What's nice is once you've done all this and you send the email to somebody, this is how it shows up. I clicked on this before, but basically, if you want to click on who is standard heating, presto, it pops right up. If you get this and you're like, Platinum Group, I remember Platinum Group, where are those guys again? It pops right up. So anyways, it's a good example of how to embed links into your emails. Once again, you can use this for your Word docs and your Excel documents on your hard drive. If you do this to share documents with somebody and you're doing this on your hard drive, it works great as long as everything's on your hard drive. If you try to share that Word doc with somebody else, it will not go back to the links, to the copy that's on your hard drive. So you have to keep it all within your own hard drive if you're linking to things on your hard drive. If you'd like to know more information about that and how to make that transferable, I can show you that as well. You can make this doable so you can actually put it on a flash drive for somebody, and you can have links in your presentation to somebody where your Word doc and your Excel spreadsheets on your flash drive link to a bunch of other information that's on that flash drive that they don't have to go to manually because you have embedded those links into your text or into your spreadsheets. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, give me a shout, and I look forward to seeing your next embedded message.